Watching your hair thin out is a slow-motion stress that sticks in the back of your mind every time you look in the mirror. We see so many products promising a full mane in a week. The reality is usually much more complicated. The Kilgour Treatment Serum is one of those products that attempts to tackle this head-on. This is a scalp-focused approach. It targets the foundation rather than just the strands. It relies on a trio of active ingredients that have gained a lot of ground in the non-prescription world. You might have heard of things like Retinsil, Capixil, or Procapil. These are basically the building blocks for creating a better environment for your follicles. The whole goal here is to reduce shedding. It gives those thinning areas a bit of a fighting chance. But you have to be precise with how you use it. You can't just slap it on your hair and hope for the best. The serum needs to touch the skin of your scalp. That is where the work happens. You start with a clean scalp. This is vital because oils and old styling products act like a barrier. If the serum can't get through that layer of grime, you are just wasting your money. You take one full dropper. That is about 1 milliliter. Apply it directly to the skin. Sectioning your hair helps a lot here. It ensures you aren't just coating the hair fibers. If the product stays on the hair, it can actually change the texture. It might cause buildup. That is one of the complaints some people have. They feel their hair getting heavy or sticky. That usually happens when the application is a bit messy. The market is flooded with overnight fixes that never deliver. It makes us skeptical. We want to believe in a bottle, but we've been burned before. This serum is a different beast because it isn't making wild claims of instant transformation. It focuses on the scalp environment. It is a scientific way to look at the problem. Your scalp is like soil. If the soil is poor, nothing grows well. By focusing on those active ingredients, this product tries to fertilize that soil. It takes time for a plant to grow. It takes time for a follicle to respond. You might see less hair in the shower drain after a few weeks. That is usually the first sign that something is moving in the right direction. But the actual visible density? That takes months of dedication. Now, does it actually work? That is the big question. The feedback is a real mixed bag. Some people see a noticeable change in density after a few months. Others say they don't see much at all. This is not a magic potion for advanced baldness. If the follicle is completely gone, a topical serum isn't going to bring it back. It is more about long-term maintenance. It is support for early thinning. You have to be consistent. This isn't a once-in-a-while type of deal. You have to make it a ritual. Some users report a bit of irritation or sensitivity. That is always a risk when you are introducing active ingredients to your skin. You have to pay attention to how your body reacts. If your scalp starts feeling itchy or red, that is a sign to back off. Overall, it is a legitimate system. It uses ingredients that are well known in the industry for supporting hair health. But you have to manage your expectations. It is a marathon, not a sprint. Results are gradual. They are also highly individual. If you are looking for a way to strengthen what you have, it might be worth a shot. It helps slow down the shedding process. Just don't expect to wake up with a brand new head of hair tomorrow. Healthy scalp leads to healthy hair. It sounds simple, yet it takes a lot of discipline to stick with it every single day. You need to give it months to see the real impact. Patience is the hardest part. If you can handle the routine, you might see that density slowly return. It is a commitment to your future.